Step inside the real world of courtroom dramas where shocking actions surpass fictional tales. These real-life confrontations will leave you stunned and questioning the boundaries of human behavior. Number 1. Sidney Newsome. In a Mississippi courtroom, what seemed like another day at Pike County Justice Court took an unexpected, hair-raising twist. Sidney Newsome, restrained under chains, stood awaiting judgment on a domestic violence charge, seemingly calm under the watchful eyes of Southern District Judge Aubrey Rhymes. Things started off typically. Newsome, going over some paperwork, even displayed a moment of levity, briefly dancing. But the courtroom's atmosphere shifted to tense when his mother and brother walked in. Newsome's demeanor changed instantly. Newsome, dropping all pretense of calm, launched into a heated argument with Judge Rhymes. As the situation boiled over, Newsome, disrespecting the sanctity of the court, aggressively threw a heap of papers at the judge, leaving everyone, including his own mother, aghast. The chaos intensified. Newsome overpowered the officer, grabbing a phone and launching it at the judge, toppling a computer in his rage. Judge Rhymes, having seen enough, tackled Newsome onto the desk. Amid the mayhem, Newsome's brother jumped in. His role unclear. Was he aiding his brother or the judge? The adrenaline-pumping ordeal culminated with 4 officials wrestling Newsome out. The room's shattered peace was slowly restored, but not without consequences for Newsome. His disrespectful outburst cost him an extra charge, contempt of court, slapping an additional 48 hours onto his jail time. Number 2. Alan McCarty. In a Florida courtroom, Alan McCarty turned his own trial into a nail-biting drama. This 36-year-old from Santa Rosa County was up for threatening Circuit Judge Stacia Warren over a custody case decision he didn't like. He had also verbally lashed out at 2 dispatchers. From the start, McCarty disregarded all rules. He yelled, interrupted proceedings, and made crass comments, especially targeting Judge Foxman. Surprisingly, Foxman kept his cool amidst the chaos. McCarty's constant antics got him shifted to a nearby room with a one-way mirror, but even that didn't mute him. He kept screaming his frustrations, making sure everyone heard. In a bold move, after a short 30-minute discussion, they unanimously slapped him with a guilty verdict on all counts. This decision could land him behind bars for a whopping 40 years. Throughout this roller coaster, the courtroom staff, from the judge to deputies, displayed awe-inspiring patience. State Attorney R.J. Laritza, after the verdict, highlighted the severe implications of threatening judicial members. Number 3. Bass Webb. Bass Webb, a 30-year-old from Paris, Kentucky, became the center of a spine-tingling courtroom drama. Caught on camera trying to run over prison staff, once severely hurt, it was even more alarming given his past assault conviction. His audacity reached new heights when Judge Vanessa Dixon, knowing the victims, stepped aside from his case. Webb's shocking reply? Spitting at her, landing more charges on the spot. His recklessness got him a 37-year jail term for the attempted murder. But behind bars, more skeletons tumbled out of his closet. He was tied to an old murder of an ex-girlfriend, slapping an additional 50 years onto his term. But the shocks didn't stop. Years later, a prison tip-off revealed another ex-girlfriend's murder at Webb's hands. This crime had been cold for almost 10 years. As he faced court for this, onlookers were chilled by his appearance. His head inked with a creepy hit list featuring names of judges, police, and reporters. Webb's tale, filled with brazen acts and dark deeds, is a haunting reminder of the deep shadows some can cast. From audacious outbursts to spine-chilling histories, these courtroom moments remind us of the unpredictable human psyche. Which of these 3 shocking courtroom sagas left you the most flabbergasted? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and like, share, and subscribe for more.